Okay, we are unboxing the U-Churn Theory, which is the new $1,000 price point turntable from U-Churn. It sounds like from interviews and their web descriptions, they worked quite a bit on the engineering. Tone arm, plinth, a few other pieces and parts. Here we go. So, setup guide, a belt, which I believe is a new silicone, no stretch, no seam or joint. I think it's a unimold, or I'm not sure how it's manufactured, but smoother, stronger. Here, power transformer. Tone arm weight. Looks like we have some tuning to do. What's new here? So, cover looks, at least so far, identical to the other U-Churn turntables. And here she is. So, in this version, I ordered a walnut plinth, which I believe is just natural, maybe some stain, I'm sure some kind of sealer. I think the other option was carbonized black oak. I currently own the U-Churn Special in walnut, and I really like the color and the wood, the material. I've also owned a custom and a basic. This Theory is the 6th turntable I've owned from U-Churn. I really like the company. Excellent customer service, great communication, killer value. Made in America. Not that we don't have overseas artisans as well, but it's nice to support US made products and manufacturers too. U-Churn being a newer company, I believe 10 years old, the more companies we can have making cool, good, hi-fi products, the better. We need this industry to grow. The more options we have, the better the competition and the better the products, ultimately. And I think this is a good example of that. Okay, there she is. Gorgeous. Looks like speed control knob now. Some kind of quartz crystal speed tracking, I think. No more adjusting the belt. Not that was too big of a deal, but it'd be nice to just turn the knob now. What I like about the U-Churn turntables, including the standard and special and custom, are that they're super simple. Not a lot of moving parts to fail. Not a lot of components in the signal path. This does add a little bit of complexity here, having a speed control, but it's still a very minimalist turntable, which I like. I ordered with mine the Ortofon Bronze. I currently have a special with the Ortofon Blue, which I absolutely love. From everything I've read, this is supposed to be the blue, but a little bit better all around. Soon to find out with some listening comparisons. I still have my special with the Ortofon blue, as well as a custom with a Grotto black. So in my next video, I'll post some sound demos between 2 or 3 different tables from U-Churn, all 3 with different cartridges. But for, I think the price on this is $11.50 with the bronze. I still think it's a great value if you consider how much money you spend on records or coffees or whatever else throughout the year. Investing in a really good turntable just makes a lot of sense to me, and should for any LP or vinyl enthusiast. So that's what we have there. What do we have under here? So we have our components, transformer cover. Here's our platter, acrylic. Very classy. Oh, one critical detail here, there's a groove in the outer edge of the platter. It's supposed to help keep the belt in place. I've never had any belt issues with any of my U-Churn turntables, but that's a little detail that I'm sure didn't cost a whole lot in terms of manufacturing, but it's a peace of mind, definitely. This turntable came with the felt mat. My other U-Churn turntables, I've used their cork mat. I'll probably upgrade this at some point, but for now, that black sure looks good there. So, I think I'll get this assembled and part 2 of this video, run a demo.